Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. We're going to dive right into it. Let's look at the markets. Extreme fear in the markets here. And I don't think there's enough blood on the streets yet. I don't think that there is enough pain in the markets for me to even think from a fundamental perspective, not even looking at the technical analysis, but from a fundamental perspective, I do not think that we are at the bottom yet. But looking at Bitcoin, if we look at this triangle, descending triangle, and what we see right here is Bitcoin, another thing to look at, Bitcoin has not maintained a level above 20,000. It's almost like it's fighting to stay above 20,000, right? So that will be another indicator to me that we have an opportunity for more moves to the downside. And not only that, the fact that this is pretty much being solidified as a level of support is a red flag to me, because if we look back here at this other counter trend line back in May to June, this was seen as another level of support until it broke. So two touches break, we have two touches already. The next time we get down there is break. So one touch right here. We have one touch right here. Next touch, clear. That's kind of what I'm looking like. So, and that's my idea. So looking here at Ethereum, you see me put a box around here. It's like a artificial box you guys can see, but it's really just a consolidation zone. It's really not moving to the up or down, but we did not make that second leg. So we saw we had a head and shoulders situation, right? We had a head and shoulders situation, and we did not make a new low. We didn't fulfill this leg right here. This leg was never filled. It came down, stopped. A filled leg would at least go into $1,000, like I was saying. So I definitely think that is going to happen. Excuse the messy charts. I just wanted to explain to you guys exactly what I was looking at and the why behind it. So extreme fear in the markets, like I said, but we're seeing consolidation in almost every cryptocurrency. Almost every currency out there right now is experiencing consolidation. But there was a cool article here that I saw with BNB. BNB crashed heavily as Binance chain halts following a major hack of 2 million BNB tokens worth 550 million. Insane. So with that being said, it said there was a huge crash, and I didn't see that. Now for me, maybe I have to go to the lower time frames, but I'm wondering where the crash is at, and maybe it's on a different pair. But I did not necessarily see a huge crash yet. I don't know what this article. I thought this article was super interesting. Being Binance Coin. Oh, that's what it is. Binance Coin. Maybe no, that's the same thing. Binance Coin is BNB. So I didn't necessarily see that big crash that they were talking about. If you consider 283 to 280, 250, I'm not sure, but a big crash would have been like Luna. Big crash, right? A big crash is not what BNB went through, but we'll see what happens there. That's a lot of money to be hacked, almost $1 billion hacked. So we'll see what happens here. I think that I want to kind of dive into how the hack happened, and we'll highlight this and go back to this again. Going to Cardano still in that range, shot up 42 cents. Now coming back in the mid-level support, almost heading towards 42 cents, which is really our range for major level support here. Really what we're waiting to break in order for us to start our accumulation target. So not really a lot going on. I mean, for us, it was like break below 40 cents. Right now it's at 42. We wanted to see it break below 40 cents. If you go to the higher time frames, you can see that for our levels of support and resistance here. But looking here at Cardano not really doing anything either, just hanging out. If you go to the time frame here, we wanted to see a break and close below 40 cents, which kind of aligns with what we have right here. A major level was 40 cents here in the red. that you can see. But that was kind of our idea when we were looking at Cardano. We were looking at what's the play there? What are we gonna do? We wanted to see a new low be formed. So seeing the same, almost identical technical analysis here. If you can draw a line here, almost lining up, got a level of support, couple levels of support, but major level support would be 40 cents. So we want to see that break below 40 cents before we really start to go hard again with Cardano. Those are our targets. Like maybe we'll dip in a little bit. We're dipping, dollar cost averaging, but overall our targets are our targets. We want to see these support levels that we're seeing, major support levels that we're seeing across these pairs to be broken. And it starts with Bitcoin. So that's kind of what we're looking like. And that's kind of our ideology and our ideas when we look at just pure technical analysis. I know you guys enjoy Technical Tuesdays, but really want answer you guys' questions. I've been getting the emails. I see them about the TA and what do we think. Like these breaks give FOMO. Every time there's a break like this, a pump up, there's FOMO. Oh, it broke 20,000. FOMO. People, oh, that was the bottom. Oh, it's not. It's not the bottom. This was not the bottom. There's no scenario where I think this is the bottom given these macroeconomic conditions. So with that being said, guys, I just wanted to dive on here and kind of just break down these technical analysis and break down these charts. Keep it pretty simple for you guys. I know there was a question about our target for Ethereum and the why. I want to see it make a new low, and a new major low would be right here at 89.90 would be the major break of a low, but it starts with us breaking and clearing under $1,000. So this higher low right here on that retracement, on this overall retracement, that's kind of what we're waiting for. Breaking this level of support right here, ultimately to clear this wick down here. So first step is $1,020. The second step for Ethereum, in order for us to really be considered heading towards the bottom, would be clearing $886. So that's kind of what we're looking like, and that's our ideology behind this, guys. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.